Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of Nature's Dynamics Prenatal Plus Gummy. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video when I'll be giving you my overall rating of it and how it based on how it compares to all the other prenatal vitamins that I've tried. And I'll be going over all the aspects of this prenatal in this review. So to start off, this prenatal sells for $30 and you get 30-day supply. So that's $1 a day. It's pretty average pricing. I mean, it's not the most expensive, but it's not the cheapest either. And they're pretty easy to use. As I mentioned, they're gummies. So they're little gummy bears, and they actually have the same like feel and texture as like your normal candy gummy bear. I don't know if you can see that, but they look and they feel like they're kind of an orangey brown color. They don't use any dye, chemicals or dyes or food coloring in here. It's all natural. So that's why they're kind of an odd color, but I didn't really mind that. So you just take 2 of these each day, and it doesn't say when you should take them. I ended up taking them after my breakfast each day. I looked forward to taking them because I liked them, but they're very easy to use. The taste of them are pretty good. They taste like, I think it's like a mixed fruit flavor. I didn't really notice one fruit flavor that stuck out to me, but they aren't as sweet as a lot of gummies out there, which I actually liked. They only have 2 grams of sugar per serving, which is lower than most gummies that are, covered in sugar or coated in sugar. And they do have a little bit of a weird aftertaste. It kind of tastes like plants or vitamins afterwards, but it goes away pretty quickly. I didn't really mind that because their ingredients are based off plants. So, I mean, I felt like healthy, and I didn't really mind the aftertaste that much. The ingredients. So, this one has a pretty good ingredient lineup. It hits a lot of the marks, but I just want to start out by saying no prenatal vitamin is going to hit absolutely every mark as far as the vitamins and nutrients you need while pregnant or trying to get pregnant. I just like to see them get as close as possible. So this one uses natural vitamin B9, and that's folate. It has 800 micrograms of that, which is a perfect amount while pregnant. I was very happy with that. Folate is really important for preventing neural tube defects in your baby. It also has, let's see here, it has natural biotin, and it has only 18.63 micrograms of that. So I would have liked to see more. Like I mentioned, this one has a lot of good ingredients, but it also doesn't contain enough of a lot of them. It has mixed carotenoids, which is a vitamin that your body converts to vitamin A. And it has 208 international units of that, which I would have liked to see more of that ingredient in there. It also contains natural iron, which a lot of prenatals don't contain iron. Iron's essential during pregnancy, but you could also get that from your diet or by taking an additional iron supplement. Just make sure to talk with your doctor first before doing any of those, just so they could tell you what is best for you and your baby. This one has a very small amount of iron. It has 0.918 micrograms, which is only 5% of your daily allowance. So that's not a lot at all. I would have liked to see more iron in here, but it's really normal for a prenatal not to contain any iron at all, so I was happy to see that in there. This vitamin's also missing a few ingredients. I would have liked to see vitamin K, choline, and omega-3s in here, but this one had pretty good ingredients. Overall, I was really happy with it. I didn't notice any side effects while taking this prenatal, which is great. I felt really good while taking it. I felt healthy. They don't have a money-back guarantee though, which really sucks. I like to see companies stand behind their products, and this company doesn't. You can return it, but you can only get a store credit. Plus, they charge you a 20% restocking fee, which is a really weak guarantee or return policy. So I didn't like that. That leads me to my overall rating of this prenatal. I gave it 4.5 out of 5 stars, so I really loved it. I think it's a really high quality prenatal vitamin. It hit a lot of the marks I'm looking for in my prenatal vitamin, but I want to hear if you guys have tried this one, if you had a similar experience to me with it. Also, if you have a prenatal vitamin in mind that you want me to test out, make sure to comment below because I'll definitely try it out. I've tried a lot of these. So overall, 4.5 out of 5 stars. I really like this one. And for more information on this prenatal vitamin and many others, please visit us online at prenatals.com and on social media.